Everyone, welcome back to Code Squella. And now we are back again. Uh, this series we're trying to build our queuing system using Blazor. And so yeah, from the last time we were a bit stuck with an issue wherein we were trying to update our client page. So whenever the staff side has uh, initiated a done event on their side, then the client side would get updated with the next uh, item on the queue. Okay, so looking, digging through this one, I found this uh, documentation on the Blazor uh, website, wherein uh, invoking component methods externally to update state. So I found this one that in the event a component must be updated based on an external event such as a timer or other notification, use the invoke async method which dispatches code execution to Blazor synchronization context. Okay, so basically here you have uh, an example here and how to demonstrating how that would that work. So for all of this, so basically what we want to focus here on is this one. So in this one, so if whenever you have or update the component UI side based on external events, in our case, we were trying to listen for the serving done event on the queue service. And then when that happens, we will have to update the client component. Okay. So we will have to wrap our code within this invoke async method. Okay. So how would that be on our actual code? So now this is our client, and then I have here the code that initially this was not wrapped in this invoke async. So here I've wrapped it here, and inside this invoke async is the same code from the previous one, from the last time. And then we have also made some slight modifications on our queue service. So you might have noticed that this delegate method is now returning a task. And if you look at our queue service, what we did here now is that instead of the event handler as the delegate type, now we have a function type that would return a task. Okay, so again, this is a convenience class for delegates. Okay, so now what we can do is it's a bit more simple now, this time simplified. So when we do done here in our done method, we just call serving that done invoke without any other parameters passed uh, to it, and then from there the actual method handler or event handler for this one on the client side gets executed within this invoke async. Okay, so now if you run this one, hopefully we will now get uh, the correct behavior from our application. Okay, so this time we have, let's open another page for this one. Okay, let's do this. Then here we'll go to the generate page and then click generate to initialize our queue. Then let's head to the serve page. So let's pretend that this would be on the uh, staff side. Then this one, let's go to the client page. Now we are already serving client number one. The moment we hit done, it moves to the next client, which is number two. And then on the client side, it will now see that it's also number two. So yeah, as you click done every time, it will just get updated on the same screens. Okay, whenever click done, it moves to the next item on the queue, so on and so forth. All right, so yeah, seems pretty simple so far. Now there are other things or variations or features that you can add on this. One thing is that if it's a multi-step process, so wherein you can assign uh, certain queue item or a certain client to a specific step. For example, if you go through the first you go to window one, then the client would see what window he's supposed to go, or what window is being currently served, and then yeah, so and the next window would be serving that one. So it's a bit more complicated than what we have right now, but I guess that would be something that you can look into or experiment into, try out if you can do that one. But yeah, I guess we have uh finished this small project of ours. So we have satisfied our mock-up here, your initial generate page wherein you can initialize your queue, and then the serve page or done page. So basically this one has changed. Instead of serve, we have set it as done. Okay, so we might not have exactly created or have the end result, but I guess we're close. And then the third page we're in for the client end, wherein it shows what client is currently being served. Okay, I guess this one is, or we have already captured the features that we need for this small application. So yeah, uh, I hope you learned something from this one. This last part doesn't take long. So yeah, we're finally at the end of this series, and hopefully, yeah, if you have any other thoughts, ideas, something that you would like to share uh, for this one, please head on to our comments page. I mean, comment section, and yeah, give us your thoughts there. Uh, if you have anything else or some suggestions also on what we could do next, what application we might do next in this kind of format wherein we just straight into the fire doing or working on applications. Okay, so again, please let me know. I keep repeating myself here, but yeah. And again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And hopefully I get to see, or I get to create more videos, more learnings in the future. And yeah, hope to see you again in our next video. And yeah, hope you enjoy your day. And yeah, bye bye everyone. Thank you.